Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then you have to go to its settings. Firstly you have to disable motion photo if you have it enabled, then go to its settings, select swipe shutter button 2 and select take a burst shot here. So now to take a burst shot you just have to swipe shutter button down like this, and after that the burst shot will start. So you just swipe it and hold it, and as you can see right now I took like, oh my god, I took a lot of shots. I took like 59 or 50 something burst shots. And here you can select the one that fits you best and like delete others, because it needs a lot of memory space to save it, so yeah, you should be aware of it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.